that's probably all they'll do in this particular round as coldzera. Last remaining player, lovely shot there with the Desert Eagle, but not really much else he can do.
Yeah, you might be able to get across. Yeah, and you actually try and throw that FAMAS away, make sure that they force the CT economies for the rebuy. Another shot hit by coldzera. And another one from Cold. Triple kill, $700 spent, and he could shatter the CT defenses. He's done it! coldzera, remember the name. He's back to his old tricks.
That is unreal.
Rotating around, catches off Frozen. Becomes a much easier scenario now, and it's just Chris. Bomb in his hand, though. He can plant in this. He started that before the Molotov. In fact, Molotov's not going to reach him, and he might chase down at least get one. Good start. Aggressive. Finds out Flamey. Not done there. Sees the play on the tracks. He's actually got Simple down. We know this guy can ace. We saw it in New York. He's got it into a 1-on-2. And he's actually sliding away. He's got another shot on Boomich. Is this guy up for the play of the decade already in 2020? He nearly got it in 2018. As Chris sneaks away, Electronic is found. He's baited him out. He's got the time in his favor. What an ace clutch this would be. He's got the bomb off the situation. And he's got Electronic down. Put it in for play of the year already. What a clutch from Chris.
Unbelievable scenes, Matt. Chris J in a 1-on-5.
Keeping things up for Malsports and Woxic. He's not done with one. He'll double up as James and Sanji need to make the impossible happen. That smoke had to fade, and James misses his shot. Does get the follow-up, but now he's alone, and Woxic knows exactly where he is. The flank is in. James deals with it well. 20 seconds on the clock and 2 players on the site. James found one, and it's down to the 1-on-1. Woxic so low. Pistol would do, but James sticking with the AWP, and he's seen the barrel. I think he's seen the barrel. He's going to get the flick. Oh my God. VP, pick it up.
Time ticking away. Over half gone now. We are starting to see the first CT presence on that. It's Misuta to try and fake it out. On the side stick. Oh no! Oh, he's got his knife and he's slashing, he's gashing, he's got it. On the bomb again, he's trying again. And he gets him. Shoxy with a blade in his back, and Sticko's trying to catch him.
I think we got our power play winner, boys.
We have penetrating the box, landing it in the head. And Keto and Tizian have an arduous task ahead of them, tentatively moving back and forward. Sadly takes the opportunity to come out into the open. And Tizian now, last player standing alive. They need him to play that hero position perfectly. There's a rotation into heaven with the aforementioned scout for Cadian. Picks up the bomb. They know that he doesn't really have realistically time to rotate to the other side of the map, so he has to hit this one down. Tizian with another frag, he's picked up. There's the clutch! Collectively, Big can wipe the sweat off their brow and pat Tizian on the back.
Members of Tyloo, there are actually 3 of them, all 3 of them, gathering for a doors push. This could work out because Nex is leaving his post. It comes down to the aim, and so far Jax has prevailed. It's onto Attacker. He runs out of bullets, and it will be Zeta, who's just managed to find himself a fresh clip for the first frag of what will be a 1v3 should he concede, or convert, excuse me, armor, kit, and a flashbang. He's managed to scavenge himself quite the retake set.
He has got everything he needs, with the flashbang especially, but 2 kills to find. If anyone was low, you might think his chances are up there. But for now, Amanek and Nex away patiently, and so does Zeta. Looking for anyone pushing towards a window position here, but time is of the essence, and every second he wastes, his chances of winning the round are falling apart. He'll go towards the double doors at this point, needs an opening quick kill if possible, can't find anything, and now will be sandwiched from either side. He knows the setup, and he does get the first. Can he nail the second? He's actually pulled the round off, and they win yet another pistol round here.
Tyloo ticking away, regrouping towards CT. Stewie will be trying to catch one, and he does. Flamey's gone down, and out just Perfecto and Simple. He needs a multi-kill. First found. Twist aggressing. They have to double peek. He's getting his shot. He's hitting another one. Simple. No, Simple. That's unbelievable. What in his name? Number 1 in the game. He's done it again.
Great flap from Zori's going to set it up, and it looks like Hogwarts, they're just dismantling this whole MIBR offense. Zori, nice shot there, and it's going to be up to Fallen and KNG.
Bomb has indeed been planted. KNG's got to be real careful around this smoke, but over the smoke, perhaps he could find something. Doesn't find anything just yet, and Zori, he has been a dab hand with the AWP as well. Fallen takes the cannon up close towards shot. Spots Zori jumping over now, and he's got a 1 versus 2. Does he have an angle for the bomb plant? He's got a HG grenade, which will go on the low ground, looking for a CT to cross. Straight in the face for Hoodie, and it's down to Slowy. Got no grenade, does have an AWP. He'll touch the bomb, he'll hold it. Does Fallen go for the wide swing? Looking for the ace is Fallen. Trying to bait the shot. Right out with the M4A1S. Fallen with a massive clutch from short. That's why he's on the AWP.
To what we saw from Swole Patrol's retakes. Disadvantage still. I think they were trying to do that silently. But now Zelsis has been spotted, and nice frag onto Cirque. There's two in that pit. That doesn't even matter because Zelsis is killing them all. Finally, he gets in. He won't expect Freakazoid. He will expect Freakazoid. And another one! Freezy's back, baby! 9-7, and it was such a spectacular way to acquire it.
You thought it was going to be a close game. Maybe this round is going to be close. Been brought back by Sonny and Ariel somehow, but... Oh, what's going on?
Whoa, that's a problem. Flashed off. Couldn't find the man he was looking for. 53 seconds. Thankfully, the one on the site, the last alive, Alexi B has the bomb. He'll plant it at the truck, knowing that both were on the flank, and positions himself accordingly. Bit slow to the take. X7 even considering that it might have been back over toward B. He was in toward the stairs at connector. And Alexi B, considering that he might have gone that way on the flank, is starting to check the stairs. This is touch and go because there is a smoke for the CTs, a nade as well. Alexi B's got one of his own, and now he sees the Molotov go a little bit deep. He can use the railing, can't quite spot the bomb. He's got to get a jump shot. Oh, he does. He does get it, even though he was off of the aim. He's hit the second as well. They're on it, but this is done, surely. He just needs one bullet. He's lost the track of it, but he gets on the knife. And he just barely gets there in time to catch out X7.
What is that?
Okay, the flashbang does affect him. Trying to buy some time with the smoke, a little bit apprehensive here, going to be overwhelmed, but does find the first. Can he convert the second? Absolutely can. Doing so much damage with these Kriegs. The B bomb site is looking strong, but Brolan, he's still got 27 points of health here. A chance to get a third kill. That is just absolutely remarkable. One-on-one against the AWP, the in-game leader, the big brain of MSL, and Brolan is on for the ace.
How has he done this? 4 kills. The double came in so damn fast, and now Brolan's got 45 seconds for a 1v1.
But the bomb is down. I believe MSL can see it. That's why he's holding this angle. He will get challenged. And let's go! That's remarkable from Brolan. The fact he's done that
has been spotted, but you can see he's got to be so careful, and this has really slowed down his ability to get into this site, and now Fallen only just arriving in a 1v4 to try and keep the dream alive. Lands a tag, that nade might finish the job, and Fallen lands that shot onto Art somehow, some way. And come on, Fallen, you've landed 2 impeccable shots to get this down to a 1v2. He's dealt with half of the opponents that were up against him, and now just Yuri and Vinny to beat. Fallen on the other side, the bomb planted. It's Furia on the clock. Yuri and Vinny slowly but surely getting out through the market. Fallen going to clear the back line. Now he knows there's nobody here. Starts to turn his attention back towards the bomb site. They tap the bomb, but Vinny gets deleted. And Fallen, now just one man left to beat. This would be an impeccable clutch. He's tagged down low, but he's able to get away. And MIBR, they get the 11th round. Fallen, what a clutch to keep the dream alive for MIBR. Next are out even further. Kenny's going to hold for the ramp. Pretty ballsy decision as it leaves him on 2 points of health, but he's still alive, still kicking. Nexa tries to swing out from Goose, and Cold with his deagle, looking for a little bit more. Now down to the 1v3. This is made scary by Cold Zera. He's walked down 2, now in with another. Kenny and Amanek, the 2 players that survive. Cold Zera and almost on for the ace, and it's only Amanek left. Cold gets it. FaZe at 11th round.
one by one they start to go down here. You can see they're being overwhelmed by some of these little set pieces from the CT side.
Both of them just take a big chunk. A 2v4 and likely a 2v1. Look at James' positioning. He was so ready for that before he even zoomed in. Issa thrown into a 1 versus 4. He's already made it a 1v3, and if he wins the duel versus James, I would give him a chance. First down, kick it gone. No. He knows where Buster was. He got the headshot. A 1 versus 1. The flames lick him down even lower. 14. James holding the cross. There's no way.
Left eye peek.
Okay. Bomb will be picked up. 40 seconds. What do you do here, Issa? Are you really just going to give him the fight?
God.
He missed the shot. Now he gets another chance. Issa for the ace clutch, and James missed the shot. Issa, you ballsy boy. James dropped down. Issa knows it. He's looking to bring it home. And Issa is an animal. 9 for OG. He had no right to win it. Sporadic, spread out, lost,
Limp.
limp. That's what it feels like.
I think when you consider the context of what happened in the previous map, losing the first half of Inferno 13-2, and then having a bit of a comeback here, which was denied. Hold up, this gets juicy.
Hold on.
Okay, you get the
Feeling
bomb down there.
good.
They're actually pretty far away. Almays are in the vents. We've got extra power coming from ramp. They still have a massive advantage, of course, but Sirius can make this work. He has to bring it down to the 1 versus 1 first. Comes towards the ramp. Can't unscope at this point, and he nails the first one. He keeps defusing the smoke, though, if I'm not mistaken, right?
Oh! What?
That's why he's considered a hot prospect within the big ranks there. 4 kills in the round.
Just about closing this out and winning 2 rounds. Nothing about the economy. That's pretty much gone out of the window at this point. If they can get a bomb down, then potentially it might gift them another buy in this scenario, and those 2 headshots might actually gift another, because Innocent now has an opportunity. A very slim one at that, but what a headshot! I want to follow up. Innocent, what are you doing? That's 4 on the board, and now Neo has to avert disaster here on the B-bomb site. He's got the org in hand, but this blaze might be about to set the B-bomb site alight as he negotiates through the smoke and finds the ace. How did that happen?